In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Workspace. This setup is a great way to connect your work inside Monday.com with the Google tools your team already uses every day, including Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Contacts, and Google Meet. Once connected, it becomes much easier to automate actions, keep information in sync, and reduce manual updates across your workflow. To begin, log into your Monday.com account. After you're signed in, open the board you want to use for this integration. In this example, we're opening a board called a new leads pipeline, but you can choose any board where you manage projects, tasks, leads, or client activity. Once the board is open, click on Integrate. This is where Monday.com lets you connect outside apps to your board. For Google Workspace-related automation, the services you may want to connect include Google Calendar, Gmail, Google Drive, Google Contacts, and Google Meet. From there, click on More Integrations to view the available app options. On some accounts, you may not see every Google Workspace app listed. In this example, the available options are Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar. Availability can depend on your account type, permissions, or current plan. Start by clicking on Gmail. You'll then see integration templates, which are pre-built automation setups that help you connect Monday.com to Gmail without building everything from scratch. Choose the first template to get started. This template is a quick way to create a basic connection, and it usually gives you a simple framework you can customize later if needed. Continue the integration from there by following the prompts on screen and authorizing the connection. After that, click back to return to the list of integrations. Next, choose Google Drive. If Google Drive integration is available for your account, you can set it up from this screen in a similar way. Just follow the options presented to connect your Google account and allow access where required. Then go back again and select Google Calendar. Just like with Gmail, choose the first template shown. This gives you a starting point for connecting calendar events and board activity, which can be especially helpful for scheduling, deadlines, and meeting coordination. Continue the integration from there and complete the authorization steps on screen. And that's how to integrate Monday.com with Google Workspace. Once everything is connected, you can streamline communication, organize files more efficiently, and keep your board activity aligned with your Google tools. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.